You go to any racetrack, whether it's like dirt bikes or four-wheelers, automotive or anything, you say the name Wiseco, everybody knows that name.
I always say the goal is always to make a piston that no matter how hard you run it, you want it to look when you take it out like it never touched the cylinder wall.
I started in the tool back in 1979, and we've been improving ever since.
Nice to be able to be part of the team here that tests the product. It's been a great tradition to make our product better.
The relationships outside of Wiseco, the racers that we support, be able to watch the cars go and break world records.
Owners always instilled, treat the customer like you want to be treated. So that's still my motto today. Even after 43 and a half years, I honor what they've always told me.
Back car garage on 92nd Street. My dad needed a piston for his outboard motor in a lower unit, and it started as a hobby.
Originally, it was the outboard marine pistons, and that market slowed down. Middle 50s or late 50s, go-karting became quite popular in California. Our foothold was the smaller, the 6.1 engines and the 8.2s. 1965, we were at the old shop on Lakeland Boulevard, and this Canadian walks in the door, and he sets this piston on the counter, and he says, "I need this made," and it was a 250 Rotex. And that was the beginning of our snowmobile business. And by 67, 68, we were roaring. It gave us the impetus to buy this land out here in Minner, and by 1970, then we moved into the Minner facility.
When I first started here, we actually casted pistons. And about a year or two later, they got the first forging press here. I remember the owners came in and got everybody, and we all went outside and watched this humongous forging press come down the road and hit our first forging. And it's been a wonderful journey ever since then.
And we were there with our tooling, and we started forging. In the meantime, we started building fixtures and specialized machines. As our demand grew, we had to build all kinds of machines, and then we got into CNCs. We made a lot of custom tools since I started in the tool back in 1979, and we've been improving ever since.
Lots of things have changed. As we all know, piston engine been around since the beginning of the last century, actually. It's been a refinement. Wiseco was always trying to be on the forefront of that. Probably the most interesting part of my job. There wasn't too much restriction on what we might try back then, and of course we got into a lot of detail with the shape. Of course, pistons aren't round, and we did a lot of testing with that and development with that.
Since my time in manufacturing here at Wiseco, was also part of the research and development program, the relationships outside of Wiseco, the racers that we support, being able to be a part of those engine programs, be able to watch the cars go and break world records, bring the product back in-house, remeasure them, put them on the CMM, qualify the product, see where we need to make changes to help evolve it. And I just love to see the changes with the products and new markets that we're getting into. It's been truly a blessing working with the company, a lot of opportunities